Welcome back, friends, to the Google Analytics free tutorial. So, what we are going to do today is uh, just see how we can get more details regarding the mobile devices that are driving traffic to our website. So, a lot of majority of the users might be coming through mobile devices these days because most of the people are using mobile devices for accessing the internet. So, the traffic through mobile devices is going to increase with each passing day. So today we will see how we can get the reports for detailed mobile devices that are driving traffic to the website. So let's log into our Google Analytics account. Yeah, from the dashboard, just click on the audience link and go down. I can click on the mobile link over here. Yeah, so click on the devices link. Okay, so yeah, here you will be getting a detailed report about the mobile devices that are driving traffic to the website. Okay, so 38 visitors are coming through various mobile devices, and two of them are actually not set because the Google Analytics tool is not able to identify the device, okay, due to some technical reasons. Just leave that. So the next is Xiaomi Redmi Note. It has two visitors. Then Apple iPhone, Huawei, Lava, Lenovo, LG. So it goes on like that. So it will be giving a detailed and specific report about each mobile devices that are helping you, that are getting traffic for your website. So this is actually an interesting report because you will be able to see which all devices are getting you the most traffic for your website and which all devices are getting the least traffic for your website. So it can be useful for you. So that's all for today regarding the mobile device report generation through Google Analytics. So, um, so if you found it interesting, kindly like and share this video. Also, subscribe to this video and click on the bell icon for getting the updates on for the new videos that are coming through this channel. So till then, stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.